Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache in Blockman Go game. Clearing a cache in Blockman Go helps refresh game data without deleting your account or progress. First of all, launch open Blockman Go application on your device and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. From your profile section, go ahead and tap on the settings button. Inside the settings menu, click on Storage Space Management. On the next page, scroll down and look for Cache option and tap on the Click to Clean button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to delete the cache data from the game. This will remove unnecessary cache data but keeps all your items, skins and progress safe. So that is how you can easily clear cache in Blockman Go application. Clearing cache helps with lag fixes, slow loading issues, texture issues, login problem and buggy UI. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.